Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on your Bybit account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now from here, if you wish to change your password, then tap on the account icon at the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right, and now tap on security. Now within the security page, you will see the change password button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to enter your old as well as desired new password. Just type in both your old password as well as your desired new password, and then tap on the confirm button. You will now be told that your login password has successfully been changed, and you will be logged out from your account as well. In order to log back in, simply use your email address and your newly set up password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.